Is it the right time to make a decision about buying or selling CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into CrowdStrike. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, February 1, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 30, 2023, our system has identified CrowdStrike as a buy candidate, with a score of 3.69. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 71.45% since we first recommended CrowdStrike as a buy 65 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.1% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 60.39% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 50.75% to 63.47%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 103.19% over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 42.81% to 105.37%. This translates to a price range of $427.54 to $614.81 after 1 year. Our latest update for CrowdStrike is here. The stock price ended at $299.37 on Thursday, showing a gain of 2.35%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, February 1, 2024, the CrowdStrike stock price experienced a positive movement of 2.35%, climbing from $292.50 to $299.37. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.93%, reaching a low of $294.22 and a high of $299.90. In the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 6 instances, indicating a 5.74% increase over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume on the last day decreased by 653,000 shares, with a total of 2 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $549.58 million. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume despite higher prices can signal a divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the near future. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $307.55, while the lowest was $107.60. Currently, the stock price is 2.66% or $8.18 below the 52-week high of $307.55, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Today, we are going to talk about some recent analyst ratings for CRWD, the stock of CrowdStrike Holdings. Let's start with the latest rating from Wedbush. On Monday, January 29, 2024, they gave CRWD a Market Outperform grade with a Hold action. Truist Financial also provided a rating for CRWD on the same day. They gave it an Underperform grade with a Hold action. Now let's move on to a rating from Morgan Stanley. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, they upgraded CRWD with an Overweight grade. In December 2023, Rosenblatt Securities gave CRWD a Buy grade with a Hold action. Needham also provided a rating for CRWD in December 2023. They gave it a Buy grade with a Hold action. Analysts have given CrowdStrike stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for CrowdStrike. The CrowdStrike stock has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, the stock will find support from the lines at $296.85 and $271.55. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. It's important to note that the volume fell during the last trading day despite the stock prices increasing. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it's crucial to closely monitor the stock. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals that may influence the stock's short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 30, 2024, resulting in a 0.657% decrease. It's expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Here are some additional signals that you may find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is currently indicating a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 3 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are suggesting a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average has given a sell signal 3 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average has generated a buy signal 19 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is indicating a sell signal 191 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 224 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for CrowdStrike. When it comes to support levels, CrowdStrike has 2 important ones below today's level. These levels are determined by the accumulated volume and are located at $273.77 and $236.99. It's worth noting that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, if CrowdStrike support at $273.77 is broken, the next support levels to watch out for are $236.99 and $234.44. This stock is considered to be high risk due to its potential for significant movement or volatility throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. Looking at its recent performance, CrowdStrike had a $5.68 difference between its highest and lowest points in the last trading day, which accounts for a 1.93% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.26%. Before we explore potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios could indicate inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 5, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike is at $300.28. If you currently don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this level could be an interesting consideration for swing trading. On the downside, CrowdStrike encounters its first support level at $273.77. If this support level holds, it could potentially be a good entry point, as we can anticipate a rebound from there. The average rating for CrowdStrike from multiple analysts is buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Michael Santonas conducted an insider sell of 22,123 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 2,408 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 8,195 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 8,528 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 6,902 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is negative with a ratio of -45.810. Overall, insiders have purchased 346,189 shares and sold 936,606 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $288.78, which represents a decrease of 3.54%. It's important to note that this stock experiences significant daily movements, which comes with a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 2 days ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe there may be a buying opportunity for CrowdStrike stock in the short term. However, our analysis shows that the current price is overvalued, considering the volatility and movements in the last trading day. For the upcoming trading day on Friday, February 2nd, we anticipate CrowdStrike to open with a decrease of $1.54, starting at $297.83. Before we begin, let's remember that trading always comes with a high risk of losing money. It's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions related to securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're also curious to know what your target for the stock is. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.